This tutorial aims to show some of the basic functionality of the grid view. The grid is a utility to make it relatively easy to generate tabulated data. To open a new grid view, use File, New, Grid Document. Notice the grid has a dimension of 26 columns by 100 rows. To change these, use Size Grid. Resizing the grid view to 10 columns and 50 rows. A new view appears. Double-click the grey space to optimize the view. Resize columns with click and drag. Right-click to change grid size and fit grid to optimize the view. Now to build an example report. A right-click on the title bar of the data view produces window title and copy path. Having captured the file path, Ctrl and V to paste. The data includes text marks holding information about the experiment condition. Double-click a marker. Click double arrow to view all marker information for the channel. Selecting a range of data to copy. Right-click for copy modes. Using copy, then paste to the grid view. To copy data from XY or result views, use the Edit pull-down and copy as text. Copy alone will capture an image of the data and obviously not suitable here. Copy as text and then paste. Manually editing a cell's contents. Here, a duplicate column holding times. Right-click the column for cut, copy and paste functions. Cut to clear contents. Shortcuts Ctrl+X to cut, Ctrl+V to paste. Lots of unused space here. To resize an existing view, use View and Grid Size. Setting the number of columns and rows. Now to highlight areas of the grid with colour. A range of cells or a whole column can be selected. Right-click for colour selection. Use the background and text colour selector and the palette. Other data that can be easily copied are cursor Y values and regions. Cursors 1 and 2 are added to the view with Ctrl+1 and Ctrl+2 key combinations. Cursor dialogues are available from the cursor pull-down or shortcuts here. Selecting cursor regions, a display of the results of the currently selected measurements appears. Select and right-click for copy options. Copy and copy to the log view, print the selection and change of font are provided on a right-click. To align text in the selected area, view, align column and select left, center or right. To select the entire contents of a grid view, click on the top left-hand corner. Now copying the grid view contents to a text file. Copied data is on the Windows clipboard and so can be pasted into another application. And of course you may wish to save the grid view. The file extension for a grid view is .s2gx. Using a script, we can make the grid view work a little harder for us. In this case, running an example script to read the contents of selected cells. And printing the result of a calculation at the top of a column. This could also be printed to a nominated cell. Here, the maximum value found in the range is shown. And now the whole column. Opening Help, we can view the commands used. The commands all start with GRD. Functions to align text in cells, to get and set the color and widths of the cells. Grid get and set are used to place and retrieve information from the Gridview cells, including row and column headers. Thank you for watching. Please contact us with any questions you have at